Okay, now we're going to talk about union. This is where we put two objects together so that we can make something. So in order to do this, we're going to hit Control N for a new file here. We're going to expand out this field over here. And to do it, what we need to do is first place a block in space. So we're going to type translate, open and close paren, open and close square bracket, -5, comma, -5, comma, 0. So this is going to be located at -5 to start for x, -y for 5, and then 0 so at the plane. So let's make the cube. So the cube is going to be cube, open and close paren, open and close square bracket. We're going to say that it's 10 by 10 by 5 and end that with a semicolon. Let's render it to make sure we've got it, which we do. So now we need to put two objects together. So we have something called union. So we're going to type union, open and close paren, open and close curly bracket. Then we're going to cut and paste this into here. And what we need to do now is we want to add the dowel shape. So we're going to say translate, open and close paren, open and close square bracket. We're going to say 0, 0, 5. So it's at the almost center, raised 5 in the Z axis. And now we want to add the cylinder, so we're going to say cylinder, open and close paren, diameter equals, in this case we'll say that it equals 5 so we can see it, comma, height, we'll say it equals 4, and then we got to add the number of facets, so we're going to say $FN equals, and we'll say 30, and add a semicolon. And let's render that and see what we see. So there you go. That is union. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe, and thank you for your time.